Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you on how to make the best oxtail okra stew. And all you need is one tomato, and you can cut it in half, and one white onion, and you can boil it. And for your meat today I'm choosing oxtail, but again you can choose any meat that you want. And for the seasoning today I'm going to add some paprika and some all natural flavor, and if you want you can find it on my website. The link is in my bio, and I'll put the link in my description box. And I'm also adding some all African flavor. You can just eyeball it, but I'll give you the right measurement in the description box. I'm also going to add some Jamaican curry powder, and this is how it's gonna look like. And you're going to mix it really well. Just be patient, just like this, and you're gonna set it aside. In the meantime, your tomato and white onion is still boiling. I would suggest like a good 10 to 15 minutes. And after that, you have to clean your okra. After it is really well cleaned, you are going to chop it. So, you are going to chop one half of your okra because we are going to blend it with the tomato and the white onion, and the other half you are not going to chop it, and you'll see why. So now we're going to add our tomato with our white onion in the blender, just like this. And you're going to add the full okra, just like that, in the blender. And the rest of the water that you boiled it with, usually it's 2 cups of water, and you're just going to blend it. And for your oxtail now, the fun part, you are going to saute some onion, white onion with some shallots, one shallot, and you're just going to saute just for that extra flavor. I don't know about you guys, but I can't eat anything if it doesn't include onion. I love onions. And so now you are going to saute your oxtail. And oxtail takes a long time to cook because you want it to be really soft. So you're going to saute with the onion and the shallots, just like this. And after a good 15 minutes, you're going to add your okra that you chopped into the oxtail, and you're going to mix it really well, just like this. And now you're going to add some tomato sauce. You can use any brand that you prefer. And now the blend mixture that we did, you're just going to add it on there. And I also like to add some spinach. Again, that's really optional. And you can add 2 cups of water because you don't want it to be too sticky. But you kind of want it to be just like a stew or a soup. And then you're going to cover it and let it cook for a good 2 hours. And oh my gosh, you guys, this is the final product. Again, you can have it with some fufu, and if you want, I can show you how to make fufu into a next video. Just let me know in the comments. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time for the next recipe. Bye bye.